The question says an ideal liquid, that is water, flowing through a tube of non-uniform cross-sectional area, where area at A and B are 40 centimeters square and 20 centimeters square respectively. If pressure difference between A and B is 700 Newton per meter square, then volume flow rate is, and we are provided with the four different options. So let's understand the question first. So in this, it is saying that there is a ideal liquid, let's say it's water, flowing with through a tube which is having a non-uniform cross-sectional area, and the area of a first tube, that is A, is 40 centimeters square, and area of second tube, that is B, having 20 centimeters square, the cross-sectional area. And then further in the question, it is said that if the pressure difference between A and B is 700 Newton per meter square, then the volume flow rate is. Then we have to define the volume flow rate. So, as you can see on your screen, using the equation of continuity, VA into area of first tube, volume of first tube into area of first tube will equals to volume of second tube into the area of second tube. By putting the values given in the question, we will get 2A is equals to 2 VA is equals to VB. Now using Bernoulli's equation, we know that PA is equals to 1 by 2 rho VA square, which is equals to PB plus 1 by 2 rho VB whole square. And in that, we will try to put, we will first arrange, we will take on one side PA minus PB and all the other things on the second hand side, that is RHS. After that, we can say that PA minus PB is delta P, and by putting the value of rho, we will get the value of delta P. So from that, we know VB is equals to delta P into 4 by 1500, and this whole thing is under root. We will put the value of delta P we have taken above. So by that, we will get the volume of fluid rate. How we will get the volume of fluid rate is equals to VB cross area of B. So by putting all the values we have taken, we will get the volume of flow rate, that is 2732.5 centimeter cube per second. So the answer is completely nearer to 2720 centimeter cube per second. So correct option is option 2720 centimeter cube per second.